CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.2 Explain database concepts and the purpose of a database. Records and storage. Records are a fundamental component of databases because they serve as the building blocks for organizing, storing, and managing data efficiently. Databases are designed to store vast amounts of information in a structured and organized manner, and records are the means by which this data is logically grouped and categorized. So if I was to define what a database record is, I would have to say they are collections of related data fields that represent a single unit of information or entity within a database. It is often used to store and retrieve specific information about an object or item. In a human resources database, an employee record might include fields such as the employee ID, employee's name, job title, salary, or any other necessary information pertaining to each employee. Each record would therefore represent a unique employee within the organization. Now it should go without saying, but the storage of all these records needs to be persistent. The persistent storage of a database refers to the long-term retention of data within a database management system even when the system is not actively running or powered on. This is a crucial aspect of databases because it ensures that data remains available and durable, even in the face of system failures, power outages, or shutdowns. To accomplish this, databases are typically stored on various types of storage media, which can include hard disk drives, HDDs, solid-state drives, SSDs, network-attached storage, or cloud-based storage solutions. To summarize, database records are fundamental for efficiently organizing and categorizing data in databases. Persistent storage ensures data availability and durability and is achieved through various storage media options, some of which will be covered in the next video segment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.